Hey guys, today we're at the K-Rain headquarters and we're going to walk you through a product demo of the stop flow.
So guys, now we're out in our yard. We're going to show you the product in action. This is, again, the Pro S with stop flow. It's a feature where if the nozzle is removed, the water flow shuts off entirely. It's a handy feature for installs and obviously has the ability to save you tons of water if a nozzle comes off without that being the intent. So let's go check it out. So now we're going to walk up to the sprinkler that's going to be running with the flush cap. I'm going to remove the flush cap and you'll see the stop flow feature work. The water will shut off, and then I'll pop in the KVF 15 adjustable nozzle filter basket and start to screw on the nozzle. And basically after we're done with that, we'll be able to adjust the nozzle to its desired setting and you'll be in business.
First is a standard spray head without stop flow. When it's damaged, you see what happens.
Okay guys, so behind me, this zone is all rotary nozzles now. So I'm going to illustrate one of the benefits of the stop flow by changing the existing adjustable nozzle that's in our sprinkler in the ground over to a low precip rotary nozzle. All right guys, now I'm going to show you what happens in the event of damage. Again, this would typically be caused by a lawnmower blade. You're going to see the water shuts off completely. It won't lead to any wasted water, and it'll avoid the big bill or the notification from the utility that you've wasted a bunch of water.